Hi everyone, my name is Oscar Aguirre. I am 34 years old. I am a student of systems engineering. I am married. I have a beautiful family. I live in Bogota. Next, I'm going to present my activity comparing things. Pay attention. My apartment is more expensive than brother's apartment, or my apartment is bigger than brother's apartment. Samuel's room is as small as Valerie's room. This table is as big as this. This ball is smaller than this. Or this ball is bigger than this. Buying on the street is less expensive than buying at the store. This house is older than this. Or this house is more beautiful than this. My motorcycle is faster than your motorcycle. Thank you for your attention.